the Palo Verdes are beautiful. You want a flowering tree. I tell you what else blooming right now is the Texas mountain laurels.
Other options for shade tree as it comes to native, your Palo Verdes and your mesquites, and they've got varieties that are, I won't say completely thornless, but
generally thornless. So, yeah, those have really come into the fruition in both mesquites and Palo Verdes now. And it is kind of nice if you have a tree in your front yard, and especially if you have kids or it's by a public area going across the sidewalk or something, that you don't have a lot of thorns.
And then following the wildflower seasons, those Palo Verdes come into bloom, and it's just that
sea of yellow out in the desert in May. The mesquite flowers are nothing to really brag about. They don't, in fact, most people don't even notice the flower. It's more or less like a tassel, like a pecan bloom. But the Palo Verdes are beautiful. You want a flowering tree. I tell you what else blooming right now is the Texas mountain laurels. I have a neighbor that's got a big one, and they smell like grape soda or grape bubble gum. Yeah, they're really fragrant, really pretty smell, and a big cluster of purple flowers. They're beautiful.